Hey there, fellas! Welcome back to another video by Inner Gems. Have you ever caught yourself wondering what women really notice about you when you first walk into a room? Is it your hair, your eyes, maybe your style? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the top 10 things women notice first in a man. Trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's kick things off with the windows to your soul, your eyes. Whether you're making direct eye contact or just glancing her way, your eyes can say a lot without you even uttering a word. Women often notice the color, shape, and expressiveness of their eyes. Are they warm and inviting? Do they light up when you smile? Strong eye contact can create an instant connection, signaling confidence, interest, and sincerity. So next time, remember to look her in the eye. It might just be what catches her attention first. Next up, we've got the hair. Whether you've got a perfectly styled quiff, a casual messy look, or you're rocking that clean-shaven head, a woman will notice your hair or the lack of it. It's not about having a particular style, but more about how well you carry what you have. Is your hair clean and well maintained? Is it a reflection of your personality? Your hair can be a major part of your first impression, so make sure it's sending the right message. The smile, one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. A genuine smile can be incredibly disarming and inviting. But it's not just the smile itself. Women also notice your teeth. Are they clean and well cared for? A great smile doesn't mean you need Hollywood perfect teeth, but a little dental hygiene goes a long way. A warm, authentic smile paired with good dental care can make you instantly more approachable and attractive. Let's talk about style. Your dress sense is one of the first things that catches a woman's eye. It's not about wearing designer labels or the latest trends, it's about how well your clothes fit, how they complement your body type, and whether they suit the occasion. Are you well put together? Does your outfit reflect your personality? Women appreciate a man who takes pride in his appearance and knows how to dress for the occasion. It shows confidence, attention to detail, and a sense of self-respect. Now, let's take a look down at your shoes. Yes, you heard that right. Women often notice a man's shoes almost immediately. Your choice of footwear can say a lot about your style, your lifestyle, and even your attention to detail. Are they clean and well maintained? Do they match the rest of your outfit? Whether you're sporting casual sneakers, sharp dress shoes, or rugged boots, your shoes are a subtle but significant part of your overall impression. Posture and body language are key. Women notice how you carry yourself long before you even speak. Are you standing tall with confidence, or are you slouching and looking unsure of yourself? Your body language communicates volumes, your confidence, your attitude, and how comfortable you are in your own skin. Open, positive body language, like keeping your shoulders back and maintaining an upright posture, can make a strong, positive impression. Let's not forget about something that's often overlooked, your voice. The tone, depth, and warmth of your voice can make a big impact. A deep, calm voice can convey confidence and reliability, while a friendly, engaging tone can make you seem approachable and interesting. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Women notice the way you speak, so be mindful of your tone and how you express yourself. Another detail that often gets noticed, your hands. Yes, women do notice if your hands are clean and well-groomed. It's not about having perfectly manicured nails, but keeping them tidy and well-maintained. This small detail can reflect your overall hygiene and attention to detail. Women appreciate a man who takes care of himself, and well-groomed hands are a subtle yet important part of that. Now onto something a bit more sensory, your scent. A pleasant, subtle fragrance can leave a lasting impression. Women notice how you smell, and it's not just about the cologne you wear. Good personal hygiene is key here. A clean, fresh scent can be incredibly attractive and can linger in her memory long after you've left the room. Just remember, less is more. Your scent should be inviting, not overpowering. Last but definitely not least, confidence and attitude. This might be the most important thing women notice in a man. Confidence isn't about being the loudest or most outgoing person in the room. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and treating others with respect. Your attitude toward life, how you carry yourself, and how you interact with others can leave a lasting impression. Women are drawn to men who are sure of themselves, kind and genuine. So the next time you're out and about, remember that confidence and a positive attitude can be your greatest assets. So there you have it, the first 10 things a woman notices in a man. From your eyes to your shoes and everything in between, each of these details plays a part in the impression you make. But remember, while these are the things women notice first, what truly matters is who you are beneath the surface, so keep being the best version of yourself and the rest will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below on what you think is the most important first impression. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.